Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today, we are looking at two very common action words, or verbs, that both involve speaking and communicating.
Communicating. What are the words today, Jules?
The words are say and tell. English learners confuse them all the time because their meanings are so similar, but we use them differently in a sentence.
Let's start with the first one. S-A-Y. Say.
Say is a verb. It means to speak words out loud. The focus is on the words themselves, not the person listening.
Exactly. A good rule of thumb is we say something. We focus on the message being spoken.
Playfully, let's imagine a scenario. Imagine you are planning a surprise birthday party for your best friend, Sam.
Ooh, high stakes. We have to keep the secret so we don't ruin the surprise.
Right, so when you are talking to Sam to hide the party, you might say, "I am busy this weekend."
Perfect. You say the words, I am busy. The focus is on the lie you just spoke into the air.
Now let's look at the second word, T-E-L-L, tell.
Tell is also a verb. It also means to communicate, but the focus is on the person receiving the information.
Yes, you always tell someone something. You must have a person right after the word.
Back to our surprise party. Sam asks you why you are buying a cake. You can't let him know.
So you whisper to me, "Please don't tell Sam about the cake."
Exactly. You tell Sam. The focus is on the person you are giving information to.
Caution. The common mistake learners make is mixing these rules. They put a person right after say, or they forget the person after tell.
Right. A learner might make the mistake, she said me a secret. That is incorrect.
The correct ways are, "She told me a secret," or "She said a secret to me."
Here is a memory trick. Tell starts with a T and it takes a target. You aim your words at a target person, like tell him or tell Mary.
Oh, I love that. Say has no target right after it. You just say the words.
Now it's your turn. For homework, write 2 sentences in the comments about a secret you kept. Use say in one and tell in the other.
You are doing great with your English journey. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
We could say more, but it's time to tell you goodbye. See you next time on Mady English Practice.